Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your time with me. Well, today, as a follow-up to our Dollarama shop with me, I have a little haul that I'd like to share with you. So if you want to see what I purchased at the Dollarama this time around, please keep on watching. So what you're looking at is the reusable Dollarama bags. If you haven't been to Dollarama in a while, they now do charge for their plastic bags, which by the way, they aren't any good. So these are 25 cents or 4 for $1. So I picked up one of these. So let's see what goodies I have in the bag. To begin, I picked up a couple of these cute little boxes. How cute are these? So I'm not going to necessarily use them as gift boxes as they're intended for. I'm going to use them as decor in my house. I think they're so pretty. So this first one has this nice mint green bottom with this beautiful lid with the flamingo and the hibiscus flowers and the palm leaves and the hello with sparkly gold confetti. So I thought that was so cute. I also picked up this pineapple one, and this one says, "You are loved always." They had such pretty boxes, so I may go pick up more of those. I picked up, oh gosh, I couldn't resist. How cute are these? These are palm tree cup holders, and these were $2. Oh, and these little boxes I believe were $1.25. So these were $2, and look at that. Look how cute they are. These are 8 inches by 9 and 9.3 inches. So cute. So I picked up 1, 2 of those. Couldn't resist. Whether I use that as decor or actual cup holders, I don't know, but they're so cute. I couldn't leave them behind. They had to come home with me. I picked this up. This was new at, well actually these were all new at my Dollarama. This one was also new. This is the Energizer USB coverlet with Nightlight. And again, it does have a charging station right over there. And I believe it's sensor because of that over there. This one was one of the pricier items. It was $4, but I mean, if it works, I think that will be super handy. It's always handy to have a charging station, and it shines downward on pathways. So I guess you place it this way. So super cool. Pick that one up. A couple of boring items. I picked up, I needed a new sink strainer, so I picked that up. This one was $2.50. And I don't like to keep these very long. Sometimes they get a little bit grungy. So I picked this one up as well. I needed a new Broom Head. So I just picked one of those up. I already have the handle. So I'll just be replacing my Broom Head with this one. Because those tend to be a little bit grungy as well. They accumulate a lot of dust and hair. So picked up this Lysol Disinfectant spray. It's with the scent Lemon Breeze, and there's a couple of colds going around here in the house, so I'm going to disinfect like crazy. So I picked that up. I also picked up, now I thought this looked so cute. Of course, the pineapples attracted me. This one was $3, and it's so cute because it already comes with a gift tag. And it's by this brand right over there. And this scent is in the scent Coconut Pineapple. And I did smell it in the store and I really did like it. So I'm going to put that in my kitchen. And again, if you finish this, you can always refill it with another scented soap. So I thought that was so cute. I love pineapples. They also had other ones. They had the flamingos and pineapples, flamingos. I can't remember what the other ones are, but I liked the scent of that one, and I love pineapple. So picked up some more sriracha chili sauce. We go through this a lot in my house, so picked that up. That one was $2.50. and it's a huge bottle. Picked up 3 bottles of white glue. They're each $1.25. Can you guess what we're making with white glue? Yeah, we picked up 3. My niece is loving slime yet again. The slime phase had passed for a little while, but all of a sudden it's back again. So we're making slime. Little plug here, she does have her own YouTube channel. So if you're not already signed up, please do so. Her channel is down below in the description, and she just made a video on how she makes slime. So it's the extra fluffy slime. So if you haven't watched it already, please do so and send her a little bit of love. She loves reading everyone's comments. So along with the slime, we picked up some more paint. She opted for the tropical blue and the yellow, the neon yellow. I picked up 2 of these organized storage zipper bags. I picked up a black one, and these are huge. These are 11.8 by 7.2 inches. These were $2, so you can use them either for makeup, as a pencil case, store, whatever you want to use it for. These are pretty nice, substantial cases. So I picked up the black one and this hot pink one. Of course, Isabella was with me, so she needs things, she says. She needs things. So we got her this swim mask, and she likes this one because of the nose. It goes over her nose, so water won't enter her nose, she says. This one was $1.50. She opted for the purple one. We got some of just the cheapy baby wipes. These were $1.50 for 66 sheets. And we just like to have these in the bathroom. Picked up some stevia for my coffee. Picked up a package of these Rubbermaid take-alongs. I'm doing a lot of meal prep nowadays, so these are nice size, and these were $3 for a package of 3. Oh, and these are divided as well, so that's perfect. And last but not least, we picked up some of the chicken flavor instant noodle soups, and these are for $1. You see there, maybe? There we go. And that was it. So that was my Dollarama haul this time around. A couple of cute finds. So again, thank you so much for watching. And like always, I will talk to you in my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye everyone.